World Mental Health Day is on the 10th of October, and this year's theme is about mental health in an unequal world. Over the last 18 months, we know that people have all experienced the pandemic in different ways. One analogy describes it as all being in the same storm, but in very different boats. Some people may have been furloughed and experienced job losses, whilst other people may have worked from home, and whilst some people have enjoyed that, other people have found that they felt isolated and missed the social interactions that they had with colleagues. And let's not forget our really important key workers who worked through the most challenging circumstances to make sure our really important services were able to continue. All of these different circumstances are likely to have impacted on people's mental health. Some may have found that it impacted them in a positive way, whereas others may have found that actually there was quite significant negative impacts as a result of the circumstances that they found themselves in. And this highlights the importance of individual experiences when it comes to mental health. If you're a line manager, no doubt over the last 18 months, you've been working hard to support your members of staff through these times of uncertainty. However, on World Mental Health Day, why not have really important, meaningful conversations around mental health and well-being? In terms of the conversations themselves, try to have a really open discussion, be open-minded, and really listen to what the member of staff is telling you. Bear in mind that some people may not feel comfortable to come and talk to you straight away, but it may take them a few days or even a few weeks to feel comfortable to disclose to you how they're feeling or perhaps what they're struggling with. But the most important thing is that you've let your member of staff know that you care, that you're prepared to listen when they're ready to talk. Also as well, it's important to remember that you're not expected to be a mental health expert. But there may be times where you're talking to a member of staff and it's quite clear that perhaps they need to seek some professional medical advice. So don't be afraid to signpost your member of staff to other external or even internal organisations that can help them in terms of the support for their mental health and well-being. For further information on how to support mental health in the workplace, you can go to our website for further information and guidance. And if you're a member of staff and perhaps are really struggling at the moment, we would really encourage you to speak to your line manager or perhaps a trusted colleague. This can feel like a really daunting conversation. However, by having the conversation to let them know that you're having difficulties, they're then able to better support you and perhaps put things in place to help you in this difficult time. On World Mental Health Day, we really encourage to think about individual experiences in terms of mental health and keep in contact and check in on the people that you work with to see how they are coping after these times of uncertainty.